We're going to do the series of videos how to take care of your skin. But today we're going to talk about how to take care of your skin too. Hello beauties, welcome to the beauty channel. Welcome to Vhen Beauty channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and thank you for my old goodie buddy has been here for supporting this channel, and we're going up. And if it's your first time in this channel, my name is Vhen, but in this channel is Vhen Beauty, but my name is Vhen. And in this channel, we do more about skincare and review, and also we're going to do more about review of hair and different style, lifestyle, vlog in future. Like I said, just be tuned, keep. Don't forget to like and to subscribe this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click this button if you want to be notified when I'm applying the new video. It's more important. You don't have to miss out any juicy from your girl. All right, you don't have to miss out any juicy from your girl. And also, before I get into the video, get into talking, before I forgot, don't forget to follow me on social media on Instagram, which is Arabelle65, my personal one, and my business page is Vhen Beauty on Instagram. And also, before I say something else, I'm coming, girls. I'm saying something else for you guys. I want to announce you guys something important, because you guys are fam now, okay? And also, I just want to say thank you for you guys send me the wishes on my birthday, because my birthday was on the 8th of August. And thank you for the message. People send me the message to wish me happy birthday. I just want to say thank you to you guys. I love you guys. Okay. It's been a while. I had a back injury and everything is okay now. Trying to get on, trying to get slow, but everything will be fine. Let's talk about the video, the purpose of the video. Before you guys say I'm talking too long, I just want to give you the juicy about me, okay? You guys want to know what happened, why I've been away, what is the problem. You guys know I had a back injury, and yeah, but I'm back. We do what we can. Okay, good news is I have something special to tell you guys. I can't hide it to you guys. I cannot hide it to you guys. I have something special to say, because you guys are my sis, and my mothers and my youngest and my daughters are known. Okay, I have something special to announce to you guys. I have something special to announce to you guys. What is the special things? Vhen Beauty has generate another page which called Vhen Beauty Luxury Hair. This hair I'm wearing is for Vhen Beauty Luxury Hair. It's on Instagram and on Facebook. Please to come and support your ladies. Go and follow Vhen Beauty Luxury Hair on Instagram and on Facebook. We have our page on Facebook, but we are coming soon with the website. Remember, I was telling you guys we creating a website, but we're creating a website only for hair care, a hair product and hair stuff. Okay, in Vhen Beauty Luxury Hair, we're going to sell virgin hair, and we're going to sell virgin hair, raw hair, and bundles and different style. shampoo, a different style we're going to sell on Vhen Beauty. Don't forget to go and check out Vhen Beauty on Facebook or on Instagram, and the website is coming soon. This is the announcement I wanted to talk to you guys. Whoo, that's it. Okay, let's back to the topic, how to take care of your skin. Let's back to the topic, how to take care of your skin. Because like I said before, I had a numerous of message people saying they text me how they can take care of their skin. First of all, before, if you into skincare or you want lightening your skin, or you into like you want to be chin, you know what I mean, like light. Then it's not only about light. It's not only about light. If you want look after yourself, be boom there, or you want to be natural, but you need to know how to take care of your skin. You need to know how to take care of your skin. What is the tip before you know how to take care of your skin? Okay, we're going to talk about before you know how to take care of your skin. Before you know how to take care of your skin, we're going to talk about first. You need to know your skin type. Because I was writing down all the information for you because I was planning this video. You need to know your skin type. Even you want to go on a journey of skin lightening, or you want to maintain your skin, or you don't want to change. It's not only about lightening your skin. It's not about only, but you can maintain your skin as well. You can look after your skin. Okay, don't think wrong. It's because I'm talking about lightening. No, because some people say I've used this, it doesn't work. I've used this, it doesn't work. But do you know your skin type? Because sometimes we use things which we don't know first our skin type, and when we use product it doesn't work and you're blaming the product. No, blame yourself because you don't know your skin type. First, we're going to do series of videos like about how to take care of your skin. Today we're going to talk about like to know your skin type. We have oily skin type, we have combination skin type, we have dry skin type, and we have sensitive skin type. Which one is yours? Leave me a comment about your skin type. I want to know your skin type, because sometimes you guys, when you text me or send me email, WhatsApp, you asking some question, or sometimes you don't know your skin type. And how to find your skin type, we're going to do next video where I'm going to teach you how to find your skin type. Because example, I always take the example about myself. Me, I have dry skin and sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is not a type, but sensitive skin is like you react on example. Some people have normal skin, they don't react on the product, but your skin, when you use something is harsh or chemical, you react quickly, which call your skin is sensitive. I'm going to go deep on that in another video, but just leave me a comment about your skin type. And another video we're going to talk about, I'm going to talk more about each skin type. I'm going to talk more about each skin type. Okay. When you know your skin type now, what do you do to take care of your skin first? I'm talking about global. It's not about lightening, or if you're dark complexion, a light complexion, or you want to change your complexion. This is general. If you would like to take care of your, what I was saying, let's back. I will explain properly how to take care of your skin. First step, cleanse your skin. Cleanse your skin. Exfoliate your skin. Moisturize your skin, and don't forget the sunscreen. Sunscreen is to protect your skin into damaging from the sun. Example, you're going out, it's important to use the sunscreen. It's very important to use a sunscreen on your skin because it's prevent your skin to be damaged. Okay, and I have all the things I wanted to show you. For example, I wanted to show you the things. I have a cleanser here. This is part of for me to take care of my skin. This is cleanser. And I have exfoliate here, and I have a moisturizer which I use coconut oil sometimes, which I do coconut oil. This is for my moisturizer. And also I have my serum for my face, and I have a sunscreen. Nivea, it's from Nivea. I have a sunscreen. This is the thing I take care of my skin. But in another video, we're going to talk more about all this product, because the video is not too long, we're rushing, and I'll talk more about all this product, how to use it, what is the cleanser do, and what is the toner do, what is the exfoliate do, what is the serum do, and what is the moisturizer do. I'll repeat again. To take care of your skin, you first of all, you need a cleanser, moisturize, sunscreen, and you can exfoliate. It's part of cleansing. Exfoliate all this. You need to exfoliate your skin to remove the dead cell skin in your body, which you need to exfoliate your skin is more important. But your first step is to cleanse. I'll go back again. To cleanse, a toner, a serum, and a face cream. A face cream, that's what you need. A face cream and a moisturizer. You need oil or a lotion, any lotion. For me, I use coconut oil or Nivea oil or any lotion. And I have my sunscreen here. After all this, when I'm going out in the day, I always wear sunscreen because it's important not to damage my skin. And you have this. Okay, this is all the product I was trying to show you for how to take care of your skin, but I'm going to do more in another video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe this video. I'll see you guys to another video, and we're going to talk more about cleansers. The next video is going to talk about more about cleanser. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and to subscribe this video. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.